So I'm going to go through the control panel with you right now. From right to left, you have your power button. You have your LED light button. This is your humidity, your temperature here, and in between is your up and down arrows. That's how you manipulate the temperature and the humidity. This is your ultra button. This is what chooses each one of these, and then your UV light. So to drop the temperature, you press it once. That's gonna flash, and I'm gonna drop it down now to 38 degrees. I'm gonna press it again, and my humidity flashes, and I'm gonna drop it down for my setting of 65 degrees. Hit it once more, you're there. UV, or dry aging.